Now, there are some things that I've learned as a mobile app developer, I've learned as a website developer, and I've also learned as a software developer. First, when I was starting out, I was a front-end developer. Then I went back to learning back-end development before I became a full-stack developer. So it was a journey kind of, and I've done this in the past 4 years. So there are some things that I've learned in this journey that I would like to share with you and tell you how they affect your coding process or your learning programming process. So join me in this episode where I'll be telling you how my coding journey has been, especially to do with mobile app development in this episode. In the next episode, I'll be teaching you about the website development. I'll be speaking the journeys about other software development such as artificial intelligence. Now let us come back to mobile app development. Now it is either you have chosen a language or you're planning to choose a language that will help you in your mobile app development, but you don't know which language to choose. Nowadays it has become easier because you do not have to learn the native languages such as Java, Swift, or Object-C for Apple users, or Kotlin for Android users. Nowadays you can just choose either React Native or Flutter for cross-platform. You can build one app that can be used on all platforms without employing two teams. So my journey has kind of been intuitive because I will speak differently from what people tell you. I'll not tell you to take the easy journey. I'll first tell you, if you want to be a pro mobile app developer, then at least start with the cross-platform languages such as React Native and Flutter. Then, at least in your journey, make sure that you do learn things to do with the Object-C, Kotlin, the native languages, so that you can know how these things, such as how a mobile phone does operate. So after learning that, I can assure you that you'll be the greatest developer, the greatest mobile app developer of all time. Now, many people may be telling you that why should you learn them if we have cross-platform languages? I'll tell you this. No one became professional just by doing the simple thing. People became professional by doing the hard way or by solving the hard problems. Take an example. Meta or Facebook, when it was starting, it wanted to connect people. That was a very big problem back then. Microsoft wanted to make it seamless for computers to have a small software that can run small computers. That was a hard stuff back then. Now, you have more and more examples. Go to Amazon, go to Google. All these people, if they could have chosen the easy way or the easy task, then they could not have come into the market or boomed. Now, coming back to what I was telling you about mobile app development, then you have to choose something at least to tell yourself, I want to do this hard stuff so that I can at least get a chance to learn the mobile app that I have in my hand. Don't just learn about controlling a container, giving it a flex, giving it a grid, giving it a scroll view. Now, that won't help. At least learn something such as the IP addresses of the phone, learn something to do with the internal layout of the phone, how you can access the internal layout of the phone. And after learning such things, then you shall get the chance at least to grow your content, and you shall get the chance at least to grow your coding experience, so that when you go out there, even if they ask you something, you can demonstrate how it works. But if you choose the easy way of just using React Native and Flutter, I mean, that is like just mostly React Native is just like some CSS that has a changed language when it comes to its div. When you call it a view, then it's paragraph, it's a text. That is a changed CSS, and it is the simplest language. So at least do things the hard way so that you can learn how to do mobile development the best way. So go out there and become the best mobile app developer that has ever been there. So get out there and do it right now. Bye bye. My name is Fatih Mkwa. So if you have enjoyed the video, do please subscribe. If you have also enjoyed the video, share, like, and comment, make it go viral. Bye bye.